Hello students, today we are going to learn about the poem On the Water. In this poem, the poet is telling us to observe the things in the nature. Let's see the first stanza. In our little boat to glide on the water, blue and white, while the sky is smooth and bright, what could give us more delight? What does it mean? It means the poet is telling that he is riding in a boat on the river. How is the river? It is wide and the water is blue in color. How is the sky? The sky is clear and white. The poet is telling that it is a beautiful day and everything in this nature could give us more happiness, and it is a lovely day. See the ripples, how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun, while reflected we can see shadow of each hill and tree. Here in this stanza, poet is pointing out to the ripples, that how they are shining so brightly in the sun rays as they move on the water. When the boat is moving, ripples formed on the surface of water, and on these ripples we can see the shadow of each hills and trees surrounded by the river. See the lilies round and large floating near the reedy marge, where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water maze. In this stanza, the poet tells us to see large round lilies that are floating near the edge of the river. And the poet tells us that we can also find bulrush. Bulrush means the grass-like things near the surface of the water. The poet is saying about to observe all the things we can see near the river. See the great green dragonfly and the swallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam as they splash into the stream. Here in this stanza, the poet is pointing to the dragonfly and the swallow getting up and down from the water to get its eatable. The poet is also advising us to see the fishes which are jumping or diving before they go inside the water again. See the bright kingfisher too, dart a gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat, on the water whilst we float. Here, the poet wants us to see the kingfisher bird.